Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS Form 1099 tool. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into the IRS Form 1099 tool, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the IRS website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the search bar. Type Form 1099 into the search bar and press Enter. Look for the link labeled Form 1099 Online Tool in the search results. Click on that link to access the 1099 tool. On the next page, find the Login section. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. Make sure to double-check that your information is correct. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Browse the available options for completing and submitting your Form 1099. If you are new to the tool, consider reviewing any user guides or help sections. When ready, select the option to start a new Form 1099. Fill in the necessary information as prompted. Review all the information for accuracy before submission. Finally, submit your Form 1099 when all details are complete. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in and used the IRS Form 1099 tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.